Hello. Have you ever noticed that humans are all pretty different? Some of us are tall, some short, some have different colored hair, and some are good at different things. Well, the same is true for plants. They have differences too, and these differences can help them survive. The differences we see in plants are called traits. Traits are things like color, size, and shape. These traits are passed down from the parents to their offspring. Sometimes these differences or traits can help a plant survive in its environment. The environment is where a plant lives, like a forest, a desert, or the ocean. If a trait helps it survive, it can mean it can have the needed resources to make food, protect from animals that want to eat the plant, and live in the plant's habitat. Plants also have differences that help them survive. For instance, some plants have thorns that protect them from being eaten by animals, like a cactus. Some plants live in dry areas may have very long roots that reach far down into the ground to find water. Some plants have bright flowers that attract insects and other animals that help with pollination. If the environment changes, some plants with certain traits might be able to survive better than others. For example, if there's a drought and not much water, plants with deep roots will survive, but plants with shallower roots might die. Differences among plants are important because they help them survive in their environment. If the environment changes, some of them have the traits to help them survive. It's one of the reasons we have so many different kinds of plants on Earth. It makes life on Earth strong and adaptable. Thank you for watching.